So good morning. This is day 2 of my city fishing expedition. And first priority is to not get killed on these rocks. Oh yeah. But I fished here before, and I caught some decent bass out of here. But in my last video, I fished basically on the other side of this highway right here. And there's another little culvert here I don't think anybody's ever fished at. I mean, it looks like it's blocked off, but if you walk down a little bit, you'll see like an opening. There's no gate, fence, or anything there. And so that's what I did. I mean, I spotted this place so many times before, and never really had the, I wouldn't say courage, but I never really had the desire, I guess is a good word. Ooh, I hope you don't fall over. The desire to fish it. I just didn't want to get involved with the law, just in case if they were if it was illegal. And well, like I said, I didn't see no trespassing signs or anything like that. And this is gonna be like pretty much, my fishing days are gonna be slowed down a tad. I'm gonna be graduating college here soon, and I have to find a real job. Got a bunch of carp jumping, but yeah, I'm still gonna go fishing. I'm still gonna post videos. It's just not gonna be as frequent as it is now, which is all good. Gives me more time to think about it and live in my brain a little bit. But yeah, so this is day 2 of city fishing. I'm using this trench hog. Love this bait. At first I really dislike Googan products. Like, I don't like the hard baits. I'm not a Googan hard bait fan. But their soft plastics, creature baits are phenomenal. I don't have anything negative to say about that. But you guys need to do something with your hard lures. With that being said, I love you, Joby. Thank you very much for being my queen and letting me do this. Let's get her done. I'll try to. Believe it or not, out of this little pond here, let me turn you. Let's see if I can. Oh no. Out of this little pond here, I caught. Oh, come on. Stay. You gonna fall? You gonna fall? I don't know. I think it's gonna fall. There, better. I caught almost a 4-pound bass out of here, which is crazy. I mean, it's a tiny pond. I'd probably throw a rock across it. I'm doing all like soft plastic lures, creature baits today. I didn't bring my other rods for top water. Would really like to go on the other side, but man, I ain't trying to walk through the dang jungle. Getting too old for that, Actually getting too old to be walking through rocks and stuff. When you jump out of planes and jump off of tanks and do ruck marches, 60 pounds on your back for a living, it takes a toll on your body. Join the army, they say. It'll be fun. I mean, I'm not by far, I am not advocating against the military. I love it. I wish I was still in, but once you get up there, 40-year mark. Now I understand why all those tops of those first sergeants, they were not doing PT. Freaking old platoon sergeants, 50-year-old crusty platoon sergeant, not doing PT. Now I know why. When you're young, you go out and damage your body all you want, no care in the world, live free. Man, once you start getting up in age, that carefree living comes back to bite you in the butt. I think I do have one top water lure. Let me give it a shot one more time with this guy here. I mean, this is a tube, but it's a craw tube. It's purple. I use this for my trailers, but I mean, it's flashy and it moves weird, so let's see what we can do. Let's see if this tickles their fancy. The sun's coming out a little bit, so I think I'm gonna stay off of the bank and cast a little deeper. Got him. Oh, that's a big guy too. Come on, dude. Don't go. Oh yeah, that's a healthy fish. That's a good 2.5, 3 pounder right there. Hey. Chill. I'm gonna get you out. Oh yeah, this is a nice little donkey, man. Yeah, guy. I'm gonna say he's about, 2.5, maybe 3 pounds. Let me get my scale out. Yeah, hit him off that purple craw. We got 2.5. Oh, you can see it, the sun's in the way. 2.5. Oh, okay, I'm getting you down. There you go, 2.5 little. Two and a half mini hog. They're pretty much think that does it for me. I gotta get home. Got a bunch of stuff. Again, I love you guys. Thank you guys for subscribing. Watching my videos. I mean, they're pretty freaking horrible quality, to say the least. I just, figured out how to edit stuff, and I'm still not good at it. In due time, it'll come. Yeah, that's it for me. Said I love you guys. I can't see.